Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I wanted to do a little quick review and let you know I got my 60s dress done. So that's what I'm going to talk to you about today. So as some of you may know, if you've seen some of my more recent videos, you know that I had planned to make a 1960s dress for my 60th birthday, which is coming up. And so I got it done. This is the pattern that I chose. It's Simplicity 9104, and this is a reprint of the original pattern, of course. This is a re-release, I guess I should say. And so I made view B, which is this one here, and it's got a nice little collar and tie on it. This is the dress because I wanted to do something. I wanted to do the 60s era pattern but with a modern twist, so I used this wax print or Ankara fabric that I had actually in my stash already, and it came out really nicely. I'm very happy with it. Here is the collar. It's just a little tie here. It's very easy. The dress itself is very easy to make. It did not take long at all to put together. I did make the short sleeve version only because I did not have enough fabric to make the longer sleeve, but you know, with layering or whatever, it shouldn't be an issue. But I really do like this pattern. It's got some interesting details. It has regular bust darts here, of course, but then it also has darts that go all the way down, and then of course there's darts in the back as well. But yeah, this was very easy to make. In the instructions they give you a little history of fashion of the 1960s. It's just a few paragraphs that they tell you about the styles and talk about Twiggy and hems were getting shorter, that kind of thing. The instructions are easy to follow. The only thing that I take issue with in the instructions is when they tell you about putting in the zipper, which is just a centered zipper, just comes down in the middle. That's usually the easiest zipper application you can do, because nowadays what you'll do is you'll stitch from where there's usually a dart or something here, wherever your zipper stop is going to be, and you stitch that seam all the way down. Then you'll machine baste the rest of that seam up, iron it flat, and then lay down your zipper and put it in. But that's not what they tell you to do in these instructions. You sew the bottom part of the seam like you normally would, but for the zipper seam, you press it 5/8 of an inch under first. You press it, then you lay the closed zipper in order to center it and all that. I did try it, and it came out uneven, and I wasn't happy with it, so I had just basted in the zipper, which is something that I normally do first anyway. So I just basted it in, and I actually did end up taking that out and then just doing what I would normally have done, which is machine baste this part of the seam, press it flat, and then put the zipper in the way that I would. And so that's the only thing that I wouldn't recommend doing with this pattern. It just seemed really odd to me, and maybe that was how they had people do them back in the day, but yeah, it just didn't really make a lot of sense when it's so much easier now to just machine baste that seam closed and then just do what you would normally do. So other than that, it came together very well, super easy, and very comfortable, nice and stylish. The sizing is sized for nowadays, of course, But yeah, I wanted to share that with you. But very easy. I'm happy with it. I am thinking if I want to do another dress pattern, something, a different one than this one, something similar, same concept, but with something different. I'm not sure if I will do that or just keep making whatever else I want to make, but I'm very happy I got this done. And that's it for this one. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. When you subscribe, it really does help my channel to be pushed out to other people who might be interested in these types of videos, sewing and pattern reviews and such. So I really do appreciate that, and I appreciate all of you for watching. That's it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.